how to turn on an Aternos server without being the owner. So that is what I'm going to show you guys in this super quick and easy tutorial. So let's get into it. So the first thing that we need to do right here is to, of course, open our browser and then go here on aternos.org and make sure that you are on your server. So once you're now here, what we are going to do next is to create a new account. So what we're going to do is to log out into our account right here and then log in with another account. Once you're now here in the sign up section, what we're going to do is to name this start mark 123. So let's agree to this and then click sign up. After that, let's create a server, and then what we're going to do is to edit the name, which is right here. Once you do that, let's click the create button. Once you create that, what we are going to do next is to log in again with our main account. So log out in this, and then go here and sign in with your main account. After that, go into your main server, which is right here, and then go here on the access, which is located on the left screen. So click that. And then for the share access, we're just going to type the username of the second account that we have just created and then click add. After that, as you can see, we now have these permissions. So what we're going to do is to just check the start, which is right here, and then uncheck all of this. And then once it is done, just click the save button and then click save. And then once it is done, what we're going to do is to log out again with our main account and then log in with our second account. So in this part, as you can see, once we are now logged in with another account, as you can see, we now have access into the server. So once we click that, we will now be able to start the main server using another account. After that, all you have to do is to click the start button, and then that should be it. So that is basically it. That is how easy it is. That is how to turn on Aternos server without being the owner.